Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Alicia. Today I have my Stitch Fix for September. If we are going to be honest, I am not super excited about it. Last month I got a 5 for 5. My stylist knocked it out of the park. I have a feeling this, the inventory was not there. I've been doing Stitch Fix for about 7 years, and of course I've had an occasional late fix, but I would say 98% of the time it is on the dot or early. I did not like either of my previews. I did pick one item. I believe we have the same stylist, and I just don't know. I partly blame myself because I wanted a 5 top fix, and I don't want anything cold weather because I'm in California. So I think maybe I narrowed it down too much or something. I don't know. We will see. If you ever get a fix that you're not in love with, I still encourage you to try everything on just for fun, because you never know. A piece you hate could look stunning and change your mind. Anyway, first item up is Fortune and Ivy, and it is a XXL. And let's see, this I believe is $39. It is a mixed material. I love green, as you guys probably get sick of hearing me say. I'm not a fan when there's a lot of white. So I will try it on, but I'm not holding any hope. It also has like a metal detail right there. So we will see. The price is good. This definitely, would be a good work top. I just don't see me loving it because of all of the white. So that is a top she chose. We will give it a whirl. This is the top I chose. I don't see it going. It's $78. I kind of regretted it the minute I hit like keep or something. This is a Michael Stars Vernon Dolman sleeve top, green XX large, $78. Now, 78 is the number one problem. Number two problem is it's a very muted green, and I don't know. Again, I'm going to try it on, give it the benefit of the doubt. So you can see here the dolman aspect. It is very soft. Green is generally a good color, but this is almost gray to me. Like in person, it looks like a grayish green. I will also say I had you guys, whoever you guys were, talked me into keeping, I believe, a Michael Stars many years ago of it. You guys had it. It didn't pill. It pilled for me like right off the bat. And so this is very soft. I mean, very soft, but it also kind of looks like that brush knit that pills. And so I'm not really into a $78 top that pills. And yes, I know you can wash it in laundry bags, etc. But I pill tops just by being. Like my arms, I don't know, rub somehow. And I just manifest pilling on my own. So again, I will try this on. It is very soft, but I don't, unless it knocks my socks off in some manner, I don't anticipate keeping it. All right, we have Daniel Rain in navy blue. I do love navy blue. It is a V-neck. I do like V-neck. This is also a dual material top, but she is sort of plain, which on one hand is good. I kind of am liking solid tops on me better these days. This is a Jetta blouse, extra large, $58. So we will give it a whirl. I had just tried Thread Up, and I did get, I believe, a Daniel Rain navy blue top on Thread Up. I wore it to work the other day. I enjoyed it. So I don't know if I need another one, but we will try it on. This top is like, for sure, I couldn't imagine it being a yes. I do not do spaghetti strap. So this is a red top. I do not mind red, but I just don't do spaghetti strap. And this is what I mean by, I feel like I've said that again and again in my purchase history. I don't purchase these. So I just think there was no something. No, I can't think. Inventory. So what is this one? This is Paper Moon Trisha tank top, red, extra, extra large, $39. I don't do cardigans really either. I don't have a blazer to wear with this. I don't do special bras, so that's part of it, but maybe it's the sunscreen aspect in California. To wear a top like this, I basically have to slather sunscreen everywhere. And I just, at this point, it's not my preference to like show all my shoulders. Clearly nothing wrong with that. I just feel awkward. Maybe it's that I'm a teacher, so that's another thing. I could never wear this to work without a cardigan. So again, I don't anticipate this being a keeper. It also has a middle seam, and I don't like the seams. So this is probably an automatic no, but I will try it on for fun. And then our last piece is long sleeve. And I specifically asked for no long sleeve, which again, I just think maybe there wasn't inventory. But in all honesty, like there's not 5 tops that would be short sleeve, 3/4 sleeves. Like it just seems hard to believe that in all of Stitch Fix, there's not 5 tops. I don't know. I also just kept an all black sweater from them. And so this is Staccato. I don't think I've had anything from Staccato, or if I have, it's been rare. This is just a plain, it would almost look like a workout like top. It does have dog hair all over it, or some kind of pet hair on the front. It is just a very plain t-shirt, other than it is in sweater material. I will say the sweater feels very soft. Jeanette long sleeve sweater, $49. I'm just not impressed. I anticipate 0 out of 5 unless I try something on and it just is the best shape, looks the greatest, and I can't say no. This is just, I don't know, boring. You win some, you lose some. I will say in this instance, I don't have the style pass anymore. This is only the second, I believe second Stitch Fix that I've actually paid for on my own. I believe the first one I got after my style pass ended, they gave me a free thingy. Last month I paid and I got a 5 for 5. And so I may lose 20 bucks. That is what it is. I am not impressed with this one. But again, I encourage you to try it on. So let's get to the fun part, which is trying it on. All right, I am back with the Staccato top. I will say I do love solid on me at this point. I do love black on me. It is very soft, very cozy. I will say the pet hair and the little things are a turnoff. To me, I blame Stitch Fix. They need to roll these out and make sure they are in better shape. It is form fitting and is also kind of straight down. Overall, I am not opposed to this at all. Like, I think this is a good outfit for work, running errands. It's just, I think a little tighter than I would like. I think because it's black, it's not as noticeable. I do feel like it's just kind of rectangular. I would kind of fold it up. It is very soft. I really can't complain. It's better than I thought it would be, but for me, it's a no. I can see my little stomach right here, and I just don't need a long sleeve right now. I could buy it for the future, but I'm not excited to wear it. I wouldn't be wearing it. We're still in the 70s and 80s, and I wouldn't be surprised if in October we have some 90s. So I have about a 2-month period where I can wear long sleeves. And so there are little things everywhere. I just don't need it. It is very soft, very cozy. $49. So it's going back. I really do. I like the black. I really like how I look in this, other than it's form-fitting. If I lived somewhere cold weather, this could very well be staying. But again, I feel like the black camouflages it well, but I do feel like it's a little clingy in my stomach area for my liking. So I do believe this is going back, mainly because I'm in California, which they're aware of. I don't know. All right, I am back. I believe this is the Paper Moon tank top, and it is in red. It does have these cute little like ties, and I will say, at least from the front, it is bra friendly. I could wear my regular bra. I don't know. Yep, it looks like from the back too. This also is form fitting, so it's too tight again for my liking. At the same time that I basically saying California is warm, I would also look fairly crazy wearing this. I will also say, am I crazy? But this seems off. Like the center split is the V, like this side seems, am I crazy? I feel like it's unsymmetrical. Anyway, so it is warm in California, but you would also look crazy wearing this. Nobody's wearing this in the fall. And it's again, there's nothing wrong with it. I just am at the point in my life where I don't do tank tops. So this is 1,000% going back. And this was $39. Really not much more to say other than it's not my style at all. All right, I am back with the next one. I tried on the 3 automatic no's, or I thought they would be automatic no's in my book first. And I do believe this is going to be a no as well. It is better than I thought it would be. I do love the hunter green. I don't necessarily mind the cut. I do think if it was a different color in the front, it would help it be a contender. The arms are super tight though, especially when I put them down. Like they're too tight. I also don't like big blocks of white. I don't think it's terrible, but I don't think it's the best color for me. So this is going to be a no. This just does not feel good. And this is the Fortune & Ivy Katina hardware blouse. I do think this is cute detail, although sometimes at some moments like this kind of flips over. So I like the style of this top. And I don't mind the cut. Like, I think it would be good for work, but this is a no. Again, tight coloring, not for me. All right, we go back with the Michael Stars. I don't mind the dolman. I love the solid. It is a super soft. The color is just not doing it for me. And like I said, the minute I clicked like submit on the keep this one in my preview, I regretted it. I kind of knew it was not a saturated enough green. This really to me comes off gray. Down here, it is clingy here, but that's the point of the dolman. I don't mind it. If this was a different color, I would somewhat more consider it because I like the style. My other problem though is it's $78 and I would say 90% guarantee you that this pills all over. And like I said, it's not really even the washing. It's just something I do with my arms that make it pill. Like right here would pill, under here it pills. So I love this style. If this was black, I think I would for sure keep it because I really liked that other black sweater. And the black kind of hides the clingy here. So again, I really do like the overall style, but I don't like the color and I don't like the price for the point that I just know it's going to pill. So we are down to one last top, and so let's see how that goes. All right, I am back. This is Daniel Rain for $58. And I kind of led with that pronounced kind of like significantly because I don't mind this top, but it's Daniel Rain for $58. And this just seems very plain Jane, like we couldn't have been bothered to design something better. Like I just feel like I could get a V-neck polyester top anywhere for better price. So I do love the V-neck. I do love the fact that it's navy. It is not a bad top at all. There is nothing bad to say about it. It is plain though. It does have a little double ruffle, But if this was a $30 top, $35, basically if this was under 40, under 45, I might consider it. But I just got a navy top from Daniel Rain from ThreadUp. I don't need another one. And this has nothing to me special. Yes, I could wear a statement necklace. I am not jazzed to be wearing this the next day. For $58, this just seems plain and boring. So every single thing is going back. I knew that was the case. I don't know if Stitch Fix is good at giving you a free fix. Like, I don't know. It's been a long time since I've ever not kept anything. And back when I did not keep anything, I had the Style Pass. So I guess we'll find out shortly when I check out. I mean, we're not going to find out together. But I don't know whether they'll offer me a free fix. But this is just, yeah. And I really, because it took so long, I really felt like they had no inventory. And I wish they would just email, hey, there's nothing in your style right now. Can we try again later? I wish they would just do that. So what do you guys think? I don't think I'm making any mistakes. Because like this is fine, but not for $58. So you win some, you lose some, and we will see what Stitch Fix does. Because I would say at least 2 of the items, and really 3 of the items, there's a precedence for I don't buy them, I don't like them, and I've made that known in comments. So I really kind of feel like it's on them that this fix went awry. Anyway, it was still fun to open it and to film it for you guys. So anyway, have a great day, and I will talk to you soon.